Open the Surfaces tab in the Data Control. Click on Clip to activate the tool. Click on the surface that you want to clip around. Click on the surface that you want to erase. As seen on surface, M4 Top has a lower limit of hole depth. To clear the limits, right-click on the value and either select Clear Column or Clear Cell. This will rebuild the surface or surfaces. This may take a while, be patient. Surface M4 Top is no longer restricted by the hole depth. Click Clip to finish working with the tool.